don't hear anything.
Well, I definitely heard it. Well, not definitely. I mean, I was, like, aware of it, you know what I mean? Like, I was having an argument with my brain about it.
You are very chatty.
This place was military storage back in the day. You want to open it?
Nope, I'm good.
We're getting a temperature breach alert from a decommissioned facility.
Some of us have encountered this before.
We created a new species.
Woo!
I don't feel so good.
Jesus Christ!
I gotta get out of here.
This thing is spreading.
Are you kidding me? This fungus will mutate and spread.
That fucking deer just took the fucking elevator.
You two may have started the night minimum wage guards, but you're a green light team now.
That is a nuke. What are you, nuts?
No, I'm ambitious.